Model, 57 Plate Volkswagen California Transporter 2.5 TDI Camper needs engine repair, full service history bargain. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 128,997. MOT, the 25th of May 2026. Engine, 2460 cc BNZ174 bhpe4. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping, seating area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest camper van. Features, full service history, air con, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys,